this Sunday morning with Jane Pauley.
Hey, welcome back, everybody. Dr. Claudia Perez Tamayo, she's the president of Central Care Cancer Center, here to share some really important information with you. It's summertime. People may or may not be remembering to use their sunscreen, but skin cancer is a real issue. We're going to get to that in just a moment, but you are new to our new newscast. We want to get to know you a little bit. You're the president of Central Care Cancer Center. Talk about yourself and about what your program is.
Thank you, Natalie. I'm a radiation oncologist, and for people that don't know the difference between radiation and medical oncology, we treat cancer. I treat it with radiation and different forms of radiation, and the medical oncology uses medications of all sorts, chemotherapy or immunotherapy. We're a group that encompasses both. Our philosophy of care is that the patient is first, and we treat throughout Kansas, from western to eastern coast. And we are in the community, so we actually are available when you need us, because I think that not only do we have the highest end machinery and technology and medications, but also we feel that sometimes you need things that are even mundane, like getting to the office, and we have everything under one roof, so people don't have to be traveling, and I think that's a convenience.
Yeah, and we're going to have you on every month to talk about various topics as it relates to cancer. Today's topic is skin cancer, and you wanted to point out three main types. Let's start with melanoma, and there was something called ABCDE you wanted to make sure to share with people.
Yes, I think that if anybody wonders about what they need to look for in a skin lesion, if they remember their ABCDE, they would see that A is for asymmetry. In this lesion, you can see how this doesn't have clear borders. The borders are irregular, asymmetrical, and bulky here. The color is different. It's darker on the bottom, a little lighter on the top, and it's evolving, it's changing. And you can see there's other lesions around it. And sometimes people don't realize, like for instance, a décolletage, which French for basically your area that you're exposing here, you're being exposed to sun while you're driving. You know, a little scarf will block this, and it is important because people that are, especially from the Northern European ethnic, like Irish or Swedish, there's a little more tendency to have the melanomas, and these are the most malignant type. The more common types are less malignant. The first one you'll see there is the basal cell. The basal cell is very distinct. It has a pearly border. You can see that little border that's glistening, and that border is a telltale sign that this is a basal cell. If they're small like this, surgery, take it away, no more.
About 15 seconds left, so let's really quickly show this last one, which is the squamous.
And this is scaly, and it looks like it's just roughened skin, and this would be either a pre-malignant lesion or squamous cell.
All right, thank you so much,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Perez Tamayo. There are some screenings coming up. Check out the Central Care Cancer Center website for more information.